Grammarly Premium is a great way to improve your writing, but it can be expensive. Luckily, there are a few legitimate ways to get Grammarly Premium for free. Sign up for a free trial. Grammarly offers a 7-day free trial of their premium plan. During this time, you can use all of the premium features, including plagiarism checking, category-specific writing style, vocabulary enhancement, and more. GrammarlyGO is an on-demand generative AI tool that provides the ability to quickly compose, rewrite, generate ideas, and reply. It's contextually aware and accounts for personal voice, offering relevant and personalized suggestions that respect user agency and authenticity. After the free trial ends, you can contact Grammarly's support team and ask for a refund. They are usually pretty good about giving refunds, so this is a great way to try out Grammarly Premium for free. Become an affiliate marketer. Open Grammarly website and scroll down. You will see affiliate option here. Click on it. Grammarly has an affiliate program that allows you to earn money by referring people to their service. If you sign up for the affiliate program, you will earn 20 cents for every person who signs up for the free Grammarly program or $20 for every person who signs up for the premium plan. This is a great way to get Grammarly Premium for free, and you can even make some money in the process. Use promo codes. Grammarly sometimes offers promo codes that can be used to get free Grammarly Premium. These codes are usually only available for a limited time, so you will need to act fast. You can find promo codes by searching online or by following Grammarly on social media. I hope you find this video informative. If you like to watch these videos, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.